troubled by how to protect your carpets during renovation and clean the mess afterwards?
Our self-adhesive floor protection, the ultimate carpet protection solution, can help you save this issue.
We offer high, medium, and low-tech options to suit various needs.
To ensure accurate testing when you receive our sample, please clean the floor thoroughly. Cut a sufficiently long piece and apply it.
Step on it firmly to ensure a strong bond.
Peel it back to check the adhesion for any residue.
Stop worrying, start protecting. Choose TWS. Get in touch now.